what you caught must be waiting for ya. Even now, when we're already over, I can't help myself from